All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Camaro. It is the SS model. This beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, steerable controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, sunroof, super nice, and best of all, only 4,000 miles on this vehicle. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread here is just at the line of 7/32. This door looks pretty good. This rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing back here. And your tire thread is just a hairline on the 7/32. Nice shot of your roof and their sunroof right there. Get your power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips back there. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does have a push start system. Comes with two key fob combos. Whoa. Two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your backup camera. Pow. You got your AC controls right down below. All right, you got steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. Just hit the button. This side, as well as this side, with your paddle shifting on the top. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your module, 4,112. All right, pretty much completes your tour here. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. All right, rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your rear deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is, oops, did tuck away your owner's manuals here, and this has got that like run flat system or something like that. No spare tire on these. Quarter looks good. Rear passenger rim looks good. Tire thread is a 6/32. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Nice shot of the roof from this side. Quarter looks good. Front passenger rim. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread is at 6/32 as well. Car looks fantabulous. Lights are working. Things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Chevy Camaro SS with 4,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.